What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that you might want to get started on. So these 5 goes from beginners to advanced. The last one is the advanced one, is the most advanced one, and we're going to go from the easiest. All the links to the websites will be linked in the description. You can check that out. And timestamps are also available. So at number 5, we have selling your footage, images, videos, and all of them to a website called Shutterstock. So this website will charge users to buy off images that are uploaded to the website. So what happens is you can just grab your phone, camera, or anything, set it to high resolution, take a nice photo of literally anything, maybe flowers, houses, anything, and just upload it for a price. Every time someone purchases it or downloads it, you will get paid. First thing you want to do though is sign up and then start from there. At number 4, we have making and selling a course on Udemy. So this website allows you to create a course and sell it for a price. If you're an expert at a subject, so computer science, programming, coding, anything, you can literally make a course and sell it off. Check out these prices. Look, this is set for £15, set for 15 pounds, 15, 19. There's bare prices. So you might want to check it out. And here are some of the topics that people make things for. Actually, let me show you some of most topics. So this is business. It's entrepreneurship, communication management, sales. This is all business. Let me just go for more categories. So you have development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, office productivity, personal development, and much more. So yeah, you might want to check that out. At number 3, we have AliExpress, Shopify, Dropshipping. So this is basically where you purchase some products off the web. Most of it's products for a very cheap price. And what people do is they purchase it off here and then put it on their website, which they created from Shopify. And set it up for a higher price, so they make profit. Every time someone purchases a product off their website, they head over to here, purchase it, and send it to their house directly. But the downside with this is you need to advertise. Now I've gone in much detail than this in my video about dropshipping. You can check that video out. I'll link in the description and add it at the top right. Number 2, we have Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is very similar to dropshipping. But the only thing is, you don't get to advertise your products, and also you have to ship it to your house. So basically what happens is you purchase products from wholesalers. You might purchase from AliExpress, Amazon, other wholesalers, and then package it with Amazon and then send it off to Amazon. And what happens is Amazon takes care of everything: customer service, returns, refunds, everything. You don't have to worry about it, and yeah, you get paid. So yeah, with Amazon you don't have to advertise anything, as so many people visit Amazon like all the time, so there's no need to advertise, which saves you money. And number 1, the most advanced thing, creating an app. So there's something called Xcode, which Apple provides you. It's only available on Mac, I think. I'm not sure about Windows. But yeah, you get to create your own apps and sell it off. With apps, there's many ways to make money. So you have the actual price of the app. You must set the price for the app for £5, depending on the function. So yeah, you might set it for £5, and yeah, every time someone purchases it, you get paid £5. You also have in-app purchases, where the user needs to buy stuff to better the function, or there's also ads. Every time someone downloads another ad or something, you get paid. There's many ways where you get paid with apps. So I want to consider doing that. I think this app is free, complete free. You just start coding. You need some coding knowledge, so which might take some time to learn as well. So see that it includes everything developers need to create applications. So yeah guys, these are the 5 passive income ideas that you want to get started on. Hopefully you found some value in this. If you did, do drop a like down below please, and consider subscribing. I post videos to do with entrepreneurship, business, making money, advertising, and all them kind of stuff. If you're interested, please do subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.